Hello, this is Amber with WaveRez. We're going to go over how to refund an order. So we've already clicked into this order for Emily and it'll bring us to the overview screen. So if we want to cancel, or sorry, not cancel, refund this order because it has a balance due that's negative, that means we owe that customer back money. And we're going to go ahead and go to the payment screen. Once on the payment screen, you're going to see all the payments that have been applied to this order. Now, for this payment in particular, or for this order in particular, we have a promo code that was discounted in the order, as well as the original pay on arrival and the cash option. Now, below it's just breaking down what's applied to which, and that's all done automatically. But if we want to edit the amount that was given to us, so say they gave us $404, so we want to go ahead and refund that 103.52 that we owe them back. So we'll hit this little backwards arrow button. If you hover it over, it will say refund payment. So we're going to hit refund payment and it's going to ask us how much. Now it conveniently tells us how much is due back to the customer right here. Again, that's in a negative, so that means we owe them money back. So let's go ahead and type in 103.52. We're going to give that customer back that money. Now, that went ahead and processed the refund, and if you come down here, it'll tell you the original cash that was given and then the cash that was refunded. And if you see the paid amount also matches the total amount now, so there's no balance due back to the customer or due to us.